What if I told you that you could make money with your YouTube channel even if you had less than 2,000 subscribers? And no, I'm not talking about the YouTube Partner Program. In this video, I'm going to show you several different ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel. I'm actually going to show you my channels that are monetized in these variety of ways so that you can start taking action. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions out there is that you need this huge mega following to start making money online and with your YouTube channel, when in reality, you can monetize from day one. You could monetize with 0 subscribers. So what we're gonna do in this video, like I mentioned, I'm gonna show you 2 of my other channels that are monetized. In fact, 3 of my channels that are monetized in different niches. We're gonna talk about some strategies to help you get going, and then I'm going to invite you to a special opportunity at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and jump in. If we take a look at my computer, I'm going to show you 3 different YouTube channels that are essentially in 3 different niches. First and foremost, let's take a look at this channel, and you can go check these out for yourself. In fact, I'll put a link in the description to each one of these channels so that you can see that it's me. Now, with this one here, this one is called Web Hosting Rewind, and with this channel, it only has 1.8 thousand subscribers. There's 132 videos, and if we look at my videos here, I simply create content that teaches people how to start different websites and blogs. As you can see, my most viewed video, 5.6 thousand views, how to start a music blog and make money. Free blogging course, 4.5 thousand views. How to start a pet blog and make money, 4.3 thousand views. And if you look into these videos, I'm actually making money with a few different ways. One is affiliate marketing, which we'll talk about in just a moment. One is with a digital product in the form of a course. And the other one, I believe, is with one-on-one coaching. So there are 3 opportunities right there. And as you can see, I have a teeny tiny following. Another opportunity is this one right here. It's called Building a School. And this is actually a channel that I just revived. Before I started creating content about school, as you can see, all of the videos have been dedicated to school. I was creating content about ClickFunnels. I was comparing ClickFunnels to some of their competitors, and I was actually making money with affiliate marketing. The cool thing with both school and ClickFunnels is they have a 14-day free trial. So this allows people to test it out for 14 days, and then if they like it, they continue on, and I earn a commission. And what's really, really cool about this, as long as people remain members of school or ClickFunnels, I get reoccurring commission. So every single month, I would make the same, if not more, from people that just matriculate and continue on. Now, if people stop their membership, what's called churn, then I no longer get paid. But you can see here, if we look at some of these popular, you can see some of these 6.4 thousand views, 6.2 thousand views. This one that I uploaded last month, 652 views about school. This one is relatively new, but you can see that even though I only have 1.62 thousand subscribers, I am still getting views. What's most important is that I'm creating highly targeted content, okay? I'm not just creating content all willy-nilly. And the third and final one, which is actually my first YouTube channel. My first YouTube channel only has 1.19 thousand subscribers. However, if we look at my videos here and we look at the most popular videos, 270,000 views. And this one actually is making money with affiliate marketing. But if we look, 1.9 thousand subscribers, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 videos that have over 10,000 views, 10,000 views or more. So your subscriber size doesn't matter. The size of your following doesn't matter. Now that we know that this can work, let's talk about a couple different ways that you can make money with your teeny tiny following. One of the first ways is simply with affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, you are recommending and selling other people's products and services. The way that it works is you are going to pick a product or service that is congruent or works within your niche, and you're going to create content around it. Let me give you a couple examples. When I created content about the school community, I'm answering questions about school. While I might not be getting a ton of views, these are highly targeted views for people that already know school. You can see here 505 views simply creating content about school. These are heavily SEO keyword focused. The next way that you can make money is by creating and selling a digital product. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to identify a small problem within your niche, and you're going to create a digital product. It can be an ebook, a workbook, a planner, templates, anything really, and you're going to create it within a weekend, and then you can sell it. I created a video earlier this week teaching and telling how you could actually create a product within 3 days that you could sell. Let me know if you are interested in that type of content and I'll create more of it. But create a digital product focused on a very specific problem. One of the biggest problems or challenges people have when creating their first digital product is they try and make it too big. Part of that reason is imposter syndrome. They feel maybe that they aren't worth selling a product to someone else, but try and make it very narrowly focused. If we're thinking about how to make money online, you might want to focus on a small aspect, how to get more views, how to get more traffic to your content so that you can make more money. The other benefit of this is if you create a digital product that solves one problem, it might create more problems that you can ultimately solve later. For example, if you create a digital product that helps people get more views, now the next problem that they have is, I've got all these views, how do I convert that to money? That gives you the opportunity to create and sell another digital product down the line. So we've got affiliate marketing, we've got digital products. You can also offer what's called a membership. The cool thing about a membership is you can use a membership to solve a very specific problem, and you can make money every single month from the same customers. Now there's a few different ways that you can do memberships, but what tends to work in the very beginning are low ticket. So something that's maybe $20 or less. With membership sites, you are just going to create content consistently, add new features and new updates. For example, you can offer a new training or workshop every single month as long as it's relevant and congruent with your target audience. You can also do new planners and ebooks and workbooks, and that will help as well. So after affiliate marketing, digital products, and memberships, you could do one-on-one coaching or consulting. One of the fastest ways to start making money is to sell your time. In the very beginning, you can offer your time 30-minute coaching for $30. That's a great way to help people get a result and solve a problem really, really quickly. Now, one thing that you've got to remember is that you are in the business of solving problems, of helping other people solve problems. And if you can identify a problem that they have and then solve it for them, they will pay you for it. So if you're looking to start getting money as quickly as possible, I recommend that you offer one-on-one consultations. You can create a PayPal link and say, if you want to meet with me for one-on-one, it's $50, and then you can actually increase it over time. So we've got affiliate marketing, digital products, memberships, one-on-one consulting, and depending how large your channel is, you can do what's called brand deals and sponsorships. Basically, companies are going to reach out to you and say, we want our ad or we want our product discussed in your video. Now, this usually does require that you have at least 5,000 subscribers before you start getting those emails. What you could do is you could actually reach out to different companies as well. For example, let's say you are promoting a security camera. You could reach out to Ring and say, I have a dedicated following of 3,000 people. My average views are about 500 to 1,000 per video, but my average watch time and view duration is whatever it is. What I'd like to do is I'd like to partner with you to promote your Ring video doorbell. If they say yes, they will give you a special code, a discount code that you'll instruct your viewers to enter in, and that's another revenue stream that you have as well. Now, don't be discouraged. They're probably going to say no in the very beginning because they're taking a risk. They are going to have to pay you and then hope that you provide a valuable return on investment. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Which one of these have you tried? Which one are you planning on trying? Each of these do work. Definitely check out those channels to see that you can make money with your teeny tiny YouTube channel. Now that you know tiny channels can make money without the YouTube Partner Program, watch this free 5-hour masterclass because it will help you monetize your social media following.